Hey guys, it's Tony with Team Rage. Last summer I picked up this 14-foot G3 aluminum boat with a 9.9 Yamaha 4-stroke engine. Now it's a pull start, which is okay, I can pull it and all that, but when you're out on the water sometimes it's a little difficult trying to stand up, kind of gets in your way. So my fishing buddy there, Cinco Stu, looked up online. He's got the same identical boat, and we found a Yamaha OEM starter kit. So I just got done installing it, probably about an hour and a half to put it in. Very easy. The dealer really wasn't too cooperative when we were trying to find out, but now it's all installed. Let's see how it does. So you put the starter buttons right up front. As you can see, it was pretty simple. Just a touch of the button and it fires right up. You're out on the water. That's going to make it a lot easier. Not only that, but your battery fails, you still can pull start it. So hopefully you guys get into the same situation, you can do the same thing and get you go to boats.net. You'll be able to find it. We'll see you guys next time.